So what we're going to look at is how to use Google Sheets here to work on this project. If I click on Assessments and then Dropbox, then what I've got is a project here I can click on. And when we look at this, we click the link for the Excel file. You can do it this way, or you could download it the other way. If you click this link here, it's nice because it actually takes you to the Google Sheets setup. And once we're in here, I'll click Open with Google Sheets, and it'll take a second to process that and convert it over. And now here we have the spreadsheet with all the information in it. Again, you can browse around, see what's going on with it. You can view the key, which has some useful information. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit plus to add sheet, and we'll have double click there and do combine sample. Enter, and we'll do one for male and one for female as well. I'll go ahead and do just the male sample. And what I'm going to do is click on data. The filter button here, this little funnel up top, can be accessed either on the menu bar or by clicking data and then filter. Oh, leave that. CBS stuff. And then what we're going to have, we click this little filter, and what it does is it allows us then to sort on any column or to sort of drill down into the data based on a variety of different factors. So what I've got, I can filter by a certain date. I can filter by whether they were arrested. So here I could say we only want to look at those who are arrested. We uncheck the no, and it gives us some information here, a little bit more than what we saw in class. Now I'm going to undo the filter for a second, and then I'm going to go over here, right click, and do insert one left, and type random here, and do equals RAND, open parentheses, close parentheses, and again, as I did in Excel, double click to copy down. Takes a second, everything's copied over. I'm going to hit the filter button again. And what I want to do is I want to get a random sample of males. So I'm going to go ahead and go over here and go over to sex and uncheck females and Z and hit OK. And then I'm going to sort this by clicking on the down arrow here for random. It takes a second sometimes because Google Sheets is running over the internet, so it's having to communicate back and forth. And some of it's being done on your computer, others being done on Google server. So it can take a little bit longer than Excel sometimes. And I will click here on this random. Let's try that again. It did something there. I can also go, yeah, there we go. So I want to sort this either A to Z or Z to A. It should, here in a second, show that as being done. And yeah, now it's sorted. And what I need to do now is click in random here. And I'm going to just click in the cell and then drag down. I want to get 150 records, so I go down to 151. And then I roll over here to the right. And get all the information there. I copy it, you right-click and copy, and then go over to the mail sample, because I filtered on the mails, and paste. And you can repeat this for the combined sample. You can repeat it for the females and get all of your samples there. Once you're done with this, the nice thing is, again, that you have to have a Gmail account to work with this. But the nice thing is this is automatically saved online. If you want to download it as an Excel file, you can do file uh, download as an Excel file. You can also, well, let me go back. You can also create a Google Doc to work with this as well for the write up, the actual type up. So you can do file new, and then document and have that there.